seeing Gundam today, so we went to Yokohama, and man, the tickets are expensive. It's 9,900 yen. It's expensive. It's a different area. It's kind of nice. Are you excited?
Yes.
We're like gonna arrive 10 minutes before our ticket time, so hopefully we make it in time.
Walking to the Gundam.
Very super excited. Oh, I see it already. Here's the sneak peek. Check that out. So nice. Oh. Going to the dock. Can't really see anything here.
Lining up for the viewing dock now.
I hope it's gonna be exciting up close. I think he's more excited than me because I never really watched Gundam, so it's more for Pat thing. I'm just here to more support. Fifth floor.
Just saw the first show.
How was your experience?
Super cool.
You liked it?
I wish we got to see the show when we were up there because...
We did see it.
No, but like there are different shows, so there are different ones, and the lady we were with was saying that there are different kinds. So the one that we saw, it didn't move that much. So she was saying that there's one where when you're up there, the Gundam actually turns and faces you, but we didn't get to see that one.
It's definitely worth going up there because you get to go on the, I think that's the 6th and the 5th floor.
Yep. So we're really happy that we came because this Gundam is actually moving out of Yokohama after, I believe it's October. I really don't know how they're gonna move it though because this thing is huge.
Yeah, it's totally worth it though. I'm not even a Gundam fan, but yeah, I think it's pretty cool. Matcha bubble tea in this Gundam bottle for 1,400 yen. It's not bad. It's like a great souvenir on this hot summer day. He's moving. There's this one. Look. We got some merch. The bag's kind of cute. Okay, let's see.
Or
Okay, well, we got little Gundam and big Gundam. Let's just say that. Let's get a little and big. I don't remember what's called, but the little one it's basically got that observation observatory, the dock basically, and then the other one's just a bigger Gundam. And it comes with a little dock, so it's
comes
nice.
With a little stand. Well, it's a
yeah,
little
you
stand.
can't really see it from here, but yeah, that's what we got.
And then we're super excited
To build it
when
later, once we get home, yeah. Anyways, we're probably gonna head out to Cup Noodle Museum.
One more show at
Okay, fine, one more show.
5 minutes.
One more show. We spent like almost 3 hours here, so
2 more minutes.
2 more minutes, and then we're out of here.
Yes.